Alright, let's play some racquetball. Oh, I can see it.
Pretty cool. Oh yeah, I can see myself. Is it going? Yeah.
Yeah, it's
7
going.
seconds. This is our first athlete smart video. Ah! Good job. 1-0. Oh, you saved it. Did you see what I said?
Yes.
I was gonna hit the camera. No! I'm gonna damage it. I know you have another shot. You're scaring the viewers. They're gonna unsubscribe.
Who's watching?
We can actually do live.
Oh, yeah. Let's try to go in super intense mode. Wait, I want to do something. Ready,
No! Just stop it. Yeah, I'm turning it off.